Over the past 12 months, I've been building AI agents that are transforming how businesses operate. I've learned a lot in that time, and today I'm excited to share some of the most valuable insights with you. So, if you've been curious about how AI agents can help scale your business, stick around because what I'm about to show you could completely change your approach to automation. So, we've worked with several six-figure companies implementing, chatbots or automations like this where we'll seamlessly input data into CRMs. We've created things that automatically create documents and send them to clients. Or we've done things like this where we'll build an agent that automatically manages your inbox and responds to emails. Then there's creating a content automation that automatically posts on your socials for you, and even done things where we've automated entire onboarding processes. So today in exploring the world of AI agents, we're going to go over what they are, how they can help your business, and what they look like in action. So whether you're in tech, real estate, finance, or any industry that can benefit from automation, understanding AI agents could be the key to scaling your business without the usual headaches. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of how AI agents work and how they can be integrated into your business for maximum impact. Real quick, I wanted to mention that if you're a business owner and you're tired of being stuck in the day-to-day grind and you want to leverage our systems to scale your business, then book a free call with me. I'll show you how to drive revenue, save time, and ultimately scale for growth so you can finally step away from the daily operations. And don't forget to join my Skool community where I'll be sharing even more valuable resources that will help you grow and scale your business. And this is resources that you won't be able to find on my YouTube channel. So let's first start with what AI agents are. So what exactly are AI agents? So imagine having an advanced digital assistant that not only handles routine tasks, but also makes informed decisions based on context. So these AI agents are powered by large language models like ChatGPT 4o, which means they understand language, interpret data, and can interact with various systems seamlessly. So think of them as the evolution of traditional automation, moving beyond rigid workflows to systems that can think, learn, and adapt. For example, while a typical automation might send a scheduled email, an AI agent can draft that email based on the latest data, send it, and then monitor the response to determine the next best action. So these AI agents are really versatile. They can be deployed in customer service to handle inquiries, in sales to nurture leads, or even in operations to manage logistics. They're designed to integrate with your existing tools such as CRMs, project management systems, and communication platforms, making them an indispensable part of your tech stack. So the true power of AI agents lie in their ability to handle these complex tasks that really do require understanding and judgment. So tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. As we go through this presentation, you'll see how these AI agents can be implemented in various other aspects of your business, which can show you how to drive efficiency and growth in ways that were previously honestly unimaginable. Next, I want to talk about AI agents versus AI automation. So let's take a moment to delve into, the critical distinction that often gets overlooked. So the difference between AI agents and AI automation. So while they may seem pretty similar at first glance, these two concepts serve very different purposes in the landscape of AI-driven business solutions. AI agents, on one hand, they're advanced autonomous systems that go beyond simple task execution. They're designed to perceive their environment, make decisions independently, and take actions to, achieve specific goals, all without constant human oversight. So these agents are capable of learning from their experiences and adapting their behavior over time, which makes them ideal for having, complex, unpredictable tasks. For instance, imagine, an AI agent that manages your customer service inquiries. It's not just following a script. It's understanding the nuances of the customer's issue, reasons through the best course of action, and it takes the necessary steps to resolve the problem. It can plan and execute multi-step tasks, engage with various tools and data sources, and even correct its own mistakes through self-reflection. So the core of what makes AI agents so powerful is their use of large language models. So these models enable them to understand context and nuance, making decisions that are more aligned with human reasoning. So they're not just reactive systems, they're proactive, capable of anticipating needs and acting accordingly. Well, if we look at the other hand on AI automation, so this is referring to systems that are more role-based, so a little bit more linear. So these systems follow predefined instructions and they're Don't get me wrong, they're excellent at handling tasks that are structured and predictable. So think of them as highly efficient workers who do exactly what they're told without deviation. AI automation, it's perfect for repetitive tasks with clear inputs and outputs like data entry, email sorting, simple customer interactions where the process usually doesn't change. However, AI automation, it's also less flexible. So, like I said, it's more linear. It doesn't adapt to new situations or learn from its experiences in the same way that AI agents do. It's designed for consistency and efficiency, not for handling these complex or unexpected challenges. So, to summarize, the key differences is one, autonomy, where these AI agents operate with a degree of autonomy, making independent decisions, while AI automation strictly just follows preset rules. Number two is flexibility, where these AI agents can adapt to new situations and tackle unpredictable tasks, whereas AI automation is best suited for structured, repetitive processes. Number three is learning capability. So these AI agents improve over time by learning from the experiences. In contrast, AI automation typically remains static, executing these same tasks with same rules. Number four is complexity of tasks. So these AI agents, they're equipped to handle complex, multi-step tasks that require reasoning and decision making. Automation is ideal for more simple, well-defined tasks where precision and repetition are key. And lastly, number five is interaction. So these AI agents, they can handle and engage in more natural, context-aware interactions. So understanding the subtleties of a situation. AI automation, it's super effective. It may have more limited interaction capabilities, just sticking closely to its predefined instructions. But understanding these differences, it's crucial for businesses looking to implement AI solutions effectively. Depending on your needs, you might opt for the adaptability and intelligence of AI agents, the consistency and efficiency of AI automation, or a combination of both to optimize your operations. Next up, I wanted to talk about prompt engineering. So, prompting engineering is something, it's a relatively new term, and I'm sure you've heard of it. But essentially, it's a crucial aspect of developing these effective AI agents. So, consider it the set of guidelines that instruct the AI on how to interpret and carry out tasks. So, it's not just about issuing a command, it's about crafting that command in a way that the AI can accurately process and respond to. Initially, the idea of prompt engineering seemed somewhat overhyped, personally to me, but it felt like it was being marketed as a quick fix without much depth. But as we continue to build out and refine our agent, it became super clear that without well-crafted prompts, even the most advanced AI could struggle to produce consistent and reliable outcomes. So a prompt needs to be both specific and well-structured. So for example, if you're instructing an AI agent to manage an inbox, a prompt might begin with broad directive like your role is to organize my emails and sort them into the appropriate categories, but that's only the starting point. You also need to provide context like whose inbox is being managed, their role, types of emails typically received, and the tools available to the AI to perform these tasks. So this is where examples play a pivotal role, and I can't emphasize the importance enough. So you significantly increase the chances that the AI will execute the task correctly with these examples. Without them, the AI might understand the general task, but it falters when it encounters unusual or complex situations. So in essence, effective prompt engineering is about just giving this AI agent the best possible foundation to succeed. So it's what allows the AI to consistently deliver results that align with your business objectives, ensuring that it operates smoothly across a range of tasks. So this is an example of a good prompt. So this is from my Skool community, and this is essentially teaching you how to create a perfect prompt writer. So we're creating basically a sales agent, or a customer support agent, I should say. So I'm giving it a role and everything. So I'm telling it to include the agent name, agent context, conversions context, and giving it tools and stuff, ideal input. So here's going to be the examples and everything, and some notes. So how I want it to respond, its tone of voice, its style, behaviors to avoid, all of that good stuff. So I even give it some examples down below. And also you can find this within the link to my Skool community. So I have that in the OpenAI module. But yeah, so we have other prompts like this one. So if you click on this prompt, so this is just showing you how to build a knowledge base. So with this specific prompt, I'm saying I need you to help me create a detailed and structured knowledge base for a business. And I go on and on about way more nuances and everything. So I'm giving it specific examples, telling it, what I want it to include. I want it to have FAQs and all these different things. So much different things that you can optimize for within your prompts and everything. But there's a specific format that you should be structuring. And, that's including roles and giving it some context and examples. Those are some of the biggest things that I can tell you right now, which will make for a successful prompt for you. But you can learn more by clicking on the link to my school. But anyways, let's go ahead and move on to the next portion, which is the importance of data. So when it comes to AI agents, one of the most critical factors in their effectiveness, it's the quality of the data that they're working with. So simply put, an AI agent, it's only as good as the data you feed it. So if you provide it with incomplete, outdated, or irrelevant data, the agent's performance will suffer, just leading to more inaccurate or, I guess, suboptimal results. So imagine trying to perform a task with its outdated information. You're obviously going to make mistakes or take longer to complete it. So the same concept applies to these agents. They need continuous access to the latest and most relevant data to make these informed decisions. This is where the concept of data collection and updating becomes vital. So, we can look at things like we use vector databases. So you might have heard of some things like Pinecone, but this allows us to manage and store this data. So Pinecone essentially is allowing us to create a highly organized and easily accessible repository of all the information our agents need. So these databases store vast amounts of data in a way that the AI can quickly retrieve and use, just ensuring it always operates with the most current context. So Pinecone is particularly effective because it's reliable, scalable, and it integrates seamlessly with our systems. So keeping the data current, it's not just a one-time setup, it's an ongoing process. So any new email, calendar event, project update, or customer interaction, it needs to be captured and stored in the database. So this continuous flow of information just keeps the agents contextually aware and capable of performing their tasks with precision. So now I want to talk about the actual power of AI agents, what they can do, and all that. So these agents, they're a transformative force in business, clearly, but they're offering capabilities that extend far beyond simple automation. So they bring to the table an unparalleled ability to manage, process, and even act on large volumes of data, which just enables businesses to operate more efficiently and with greater precision. So, for instance, in the realm of sales and marketing, AI agents can automate the entire lead generation and nurturing process. So they can identify, I guess, potential leads, engage with them through personalized communication, and move them through the sales funnel with minimal human intervention. So this not only is saving time, but it also ensures that no opportunity is missed. In customer service, these AI agents provide instant 24/7 support, handling inquiries, resolving issues, and even upselling products or services based on customer behavior. It's completely insane. So this level of automation enhances the customer experience while reducing the workload on your human staff. So these agents are also making significant strides in project management. So they can assign tasks, monitor progress, send reminders, and even predict potential roadblocks before they become issues, all of which contribute to smoother, more efficient project execution. So the power of AI agents, they lie in their ability to integrate with your existing systems, making them versatile tools that can be customized to essentially meet the specific needs of your exact business. So, as we continue, we'll delve into specific use cases and explore how these agents can be the key to unlocking new levels of productivity and growth for your business. Next up, I want to get into the real world applications of these agents. So, these agents, they're already making significant impact across various industries, and their applications are as diverse as the businesses that use them. So, in the world of sales, AI agents are transforming how companies manage their customer interactions. So, imagine an AI agent that not only qualifies leads, but also follows up with them, schedules meetings, and it's even then sending out personalized proposals. So, this level of automation, it allows your sales team to focus on closing deals rather than managing the intricacies of lead nurturing. So if we look at in customer support, these AI agents are providing a level of service that was previously, I'd say, unthinkable. They can handle a wide range of inquiries from simple FAQs to complex problem solving, and they do so with a consistency and efficiency that's pretty hard to match. So by automating these routine interactions, businesses can reduce response times, they improve customer satisfaction, and they free up human agents to handle more strategic tasks. On top of that, you may not even have to employ a human agent at all. So let's say you're hiring somebody to do all these tasks for you. They may charge you, or I'm sorry, they you may pay them a salary of 40 to 70K a year, and obviously that's a lot more than what you're going to be paying for these AI agents, which just cost you thousands of dollars. So another powerful application is in project management, where these AI agents can take over the tedious aspects of coordination. So they can track progress, send reminders, update stakeholders, and even adjust timelines based on this real time data. So this just ensures that projects stay on track and that any potential issues that they're identified and addressed before they escalate. So these agents, they're also being used to enhance data management processes. So by automatically collecting, analyzing, and acting on data, they can provide businesses with valuable insights that just inform decision making and strategy. So, for instance, an AI agent could monitor sales data to identify some trends, forecast data, demand, and even adjust inventory levels accordingly, all without human intervention. So these are just a few examples of how these AI agents are being used in the real world. So their ability to seamlessly integrate with existing systems and adapt to various businesses' needs makes them a versatile tool that can drive efficiency and innovation across any industry. So I wanted to talk about why agents are the future. As we look towards the future, it's clear that these agents are not just a passing trend. They represent the next evolution in business operations. So you might not see it or not, but the widespread adoption of AI agents is being driven by their ability to handle these tasks that everyone's considered too complex for automation. So the shift is significant because it allows businesses to focus on high-level strategic activities, leaving the routine and repetitive tasks to the AI. So essentially, you're being allowed to scale your business. One of the key reasons that AI agents are the future is their additional ability to learn and adapt. So, unlike traditional automation systems, which are limited by, like I mentioned, their predefined rules, they're linear. So, these AI agents, they're on the other hand constantly evolving. So, they're learning from the data they process, the tasks they perform, and the outcomes they achieve, making them more efficient and effective over time. So, this continuous improvement means that the longer you use AI agents, the more value they bring to your business. Not to mention, these AI agents offer a competitive advantage it's super hard to ignore. So businesses that are early adopters of this AI tech, they're already seeing significant benefits, from reduced operational costs to improved customer satisfaction to whatever it may be, scaling your business, increasing your revenue. I can name hundreds of different benefits. So these AI agents become more integrated into business processes. The gap between those who use them and those who don't it'll only widen, and you'll see within the future. Hopefully you could be on the side that is growing. So companies that fail to embrace the AI, they risk being left behind, as their competitors leverage these agents to increase efficiency, innovate faster, and provide better customer experiences. Another reason that these AI agents are the future is their scalability. So as your business grows, so too can your agents. So they can be easily scaled up to handle increased workloads, integrate with new systems, and take on additional tasks. So this flexibility makes them an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. So in all truth, the future of AI in business, it's bright, and those who invest in the agents now, they'll be well positioned to reap the rewards as the tech continues to evolve and mature. Next up is the AI agent framework. So I wanted to dive a little bit deeper into this AI agent framework. It's essentially a sophisticated system designed to integrate advanced AI-driven automation into your business operations. So this framework goes beyond traditional automation by creating intelligent agents that are not only capable of executing tasks, but also understand the context in which they operate, adapting to changing conditions and optimizing processes to drive business growth. So the AI agent framework begins with custom workflows tailored specifically to your business's operations. So this means that whether you need to streamline customer onboarding, automate lead generation, or manage some other internal projects, these workflows are designed to fit perfectly into your existing operations. So one of the standout features of this framework is its seamless integration with your current systems. So these agents, they're built to work effortlessly with your CRM, email platforms, communication tools like Slack, Discord, WhatsApp, and also your project management softwares like HubSpot, ClickUp, um, whatever. So this integration it ensures that your operations remain uninterrupted while the AI agents enhance your processes, just adding value without requiring a complete overhaul of your systems. Also, the agents operate in real time, meaning they're constantly updated with the latest data from across your business, as I mentioned a few other times. So this capability just allows them to make informed decisions on the fly, ensuring that your business is always operating with the most current and relevant data. But at the heart of the agent framework is the database. So this centralized data hub just stores, organizes, and makes accessible all your business information. So supporting this is the data capture automations, which are constantly at work in the background. So supporting this is the data capture automations. So they're always at work in the back end. So the AI agent interface is, it's where you, as the user, directly interact with the agent. So finally, we have this custom tools that are specifically developed to handle your unique workflows. So these tools are what enable the agents to manage complex multi-step processes tailored for your business. So for instance, if your business requires a specific sequence for client onboarding or project management, these tools ensure that the agents can handle those tasks seamlessly, delivering consistent results. So reliability, it's a critical aspect of any AI integration, and our framework places a strong emphasis on this. So each agent undergoes rigorous testing, of course, to ensure it performs consistently under various conditions. But our commitment to reliability doesn't end at deployment. So we do offer ongoing support and continuous optimization to ensure that agents remain effective so long as your business evolves. And last but not least, I wanted to real quick talk about the future of AI in business. So, I mean, as we're looking ahead, it's clear that the future of business is inextricably linked to the advancement of AI technology. So, these companies across the globe, they're increasingly integrating AI into their operations. You can probably see this for yourself, but it's not just as a tool for automation, but as a core component of their strategic planning. So AI, it's no longer a luxury. It's becoming a necessity for staying competitive in today's rapidly evolving market. And I promise you, you'll see this very soon. Um, but the first major trend we're witnessing, right, is the widespread shift towards automation. So AI adoption, it's accelerating across literally all industries, from retail, healthcare to manufacturing, finance, law, or legal sector. But these businesses are realizing that AI can do much more than just automate routine tasks. It's now capable of handling complex decision making processes that were once thought to require human intervention. So this shift it's significant because it means AI is moving beyond task automation and more into strategic roles within organizations. So literally replacing COOs. So as AI systems become more sophisticated, they're increasingly capable of providing personalized and proactive interactions with customers. So this means businesses can deliver highly tailored experiences, anticipating customer needs and responding to them in real time, which significantly enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty, as you might understand. So another critical trend is the use of advanced data analytics. So AI is transforming how businesses handle data, just moving from reactive analysis to predictive insights. So this capability allows companies to anticipate market shifts, optimize their strategies, and even make data-driven decisions that can lead to a competitive edge. Also, we're seeing a growing integration of AI within the Internet of Things. So, I mean, as more devices and systems become interconnected, AI plays a crucial role in managing and optimizing these networks, from smart factories to connected homes, smart lights. AI is enabling the seamless operation of complex integrated systems. It's further driving efficiency and innovation. So, to capitalize on these trends, businesses need to start preparing now. One of the first steps is building AI expertise within the organization. So, this involves not only investing in AI tech, but also in the talent and training to leverage AI effectively. So, companies that prioritize AI education and skill development will they'll better be positioned to innovate and stay ahead of the curve, to put it simply. So, scalability and flexibility, they're also huge considerations. So AI systems need to be designed with the future in mind, that capable of growing and adapting as the business expands. So this means choosing AI solutions that are not only powerful today, but can also evolve to meet the challenges of tomorrow. And lastly, as AI becomes more integrated into business operations, ethical considerations are becoming increasingly important, as you might expect. That ensuring responsible AI use and data privacy, it's not just about compliance, it's about maintaining trust with customers and stakeholders. So businesses that prioritize ethical AI practices will not only avoid regulatory issues, but will also build stronger, more resilient brands. Not to continue too much with this aspect, but I guess this would more so relate to, I guess, if you're in the finance industry and you're worried about all these regulations coming down on you and everything. But yeah, just something worth mentioning. But yeah, so the future of AI in businesses, it's full of potential. I can't stress that enough. But by embracing these trends and preparing effectively, companies can not only keep up with the pace with the changing landscape, but also you can actually lead the charge in redefining what's possible in the industry. So not many people are really taking advantage as much as they should be. That's for damn sure. But you could be at the forefront of your industry if you just take advantage of this tech and you spend some time learning about it, what it can do for your company, and speaking with experts who know this stuff and have worked with companies in the past, like myself. But yeah, so thank you for sticking with me to the end. I hope you found this, I guess, exploration of AI agents insightful. Yeah, so these tools are not just another trend; they're shaping the future of business, and understanding how to use them effectively, it will give you significant edge, and I can assure you of that. So, if this video provided some value to you, please hit that like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I've got more content lined up that you won't want to miss. And also feel free to join my Skool community or book a call with me, a free one-on-one call where we'll go over your bottlenecks. So if you're having trouble growing your business, or you just want to get out of the day-to-day and you just have too much to do, then feel free to book a call with me. You'll learn how to use these automations, these AI agents, and we'll implement a plan for you where we'll do everything for you. But other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.